Hello friends, welcome to Code Coding. In this video we are going to learn about the CSS links. So as we are already aware about how to add the links in HTML file with the help of anchor tag. So basically in this video we are going to style those particular links. So there are 4 stages in which a link work. So those stages are, first one is the normal link, which is unvisited link. Second one is the visited link, when a link the user has visited. Third one is a hover, so what it does, a link when the user mouses over it. And third one is the last one is the active, a link the moment it is clicked. So these are the 4 stages of a link. First one is the unvisited, then once the user clicks on it, it gets visited. When the mouse is clicked or when the mouse is near the link, it is hover over the element. And the last one is the active, a link when the link gets clicked. So 2 points you need to remember here. A link hover must be after a link and a visited. So this property, which is the hover or link, it should be always after the normal link and the visited link. And the another one is the A active, so which is the anchor link when the link is active must be after the A hover. So that's all about the theory. We will cover in the demo how to make use of this. So this is my Sublime text editor. Here I have link.html file. So let's first create the template for HTML. So this is my HTML file here, and I will link this file to my link.css. Currently there is no entries in the CSS file. I will just link that particular file here. So link tag, and the name of file is link.css. So let's first create some links here, anchor tag. So let's add A. I don't want to navigate to any other thing, so I will keep it blank here. And let's provide here, let's say HTML, another anchor tag. Let's provide here CSS, anchor tag. Let's provide here Python. So currently these are the 3 links I have generated here. Let's save this and check in browser. So I will refresh this page. So see, I'm currently getting these 3 links, HTML, CSS and Python, and by default their color is blue. So we haven't provided any color, but by default the color is blue here. Let me add the break tag here, so they will all be on the new line. Refresh the web page. So see, all of them are on new page, new line now. Now what I want to do, I want to add those 4 stages property of the link. So let's add the first one, which is A link, which is the normal unvisited link. And let's add the color here. Let's say color is red. Let's save this, refresh the page. So currently here we are getting the by default, which is the blue one only. Now let's make it more properties here. A, let's add, what was the another property, which is the A visited, A hover and A active. So let's add here A visited. Color, let's say green, so when the user will click it, the color should be green. And let's add the hover over property here, so H over, and let's add the color to pink. So let's add here semicolon. Refresh the web page. So see, these are the green color that I am getting here. So these are the links that are visited here, and once I take the mouse near the links, the color is getting generated as pink, because we have added the effect here of the color pink. So when I will click on this link, nothing will happen because we haven't navigated it to any other page here. We have kept this as blank. So what I want to do, when user clicks on this link, it should have another color. So how I can do this? So you need to make here another property a active, and let's add color to brown. It's a blue. Save it, refresh the page. Now notice the difference here. When I will click on this Python, it will change the color to blue. See, the color was changed to blue. After that it again gets changed to green. If I click on any of this, the same pattern will be followed. So this is how you can make use of these links. Now what I want to do, I want to remove this underline here. So by default, when you use the anchor tag, by default you get a underline here. So how to remove this? You need to make use of text decoration property. So we have already covered this in one of the video. You can visit the video and see that video for text decoration. You need to specify here none. So once you specified here none, this underline will be removed here. See, the underline is removed for all the links because we have added it inside the a link tag. So this was the use of text decoration. Another thing you can do is add the background color here, or what you can do, let's say when I take this mouse on these links, it should get underlined because currently there is no underline. So you can add that effect here, text decoration, let's say underline, save it, refresh now. So in the start there will be no underline. When I take the mouse near the link, the underline will be generated, as you can see here. So that is the use. It's look much better. Another thing you can do is add the background color. So let's add the background color here. Let's add here. When I take the mouse near the link, the background color should be generated. So let's add the background color. Let's say black. Refresh now. So now what will happen, when I will take the mouse near the link, it will have the color pink, it will have the text decoration underline, and background color as black. See, the background color is getting generated. So you can play with these properties and add as per your requirement. So we have seen the basic properties that we can add to see the styling of the links, and you need to remember these two properties here. So the sequence should be in this way only. First the link one, then visited, then h over, and then the active. So that's it in this video. We will cover more about the links in next video. Thank you for watching.